stop getting a gas.
Okay.
Okay, go. Go, Dave. Oh my God. Alright, stop. Stop.
We should put this in the video. They think I'm the only one who has anger issues.
That thing is so locked up. Alright, so obviously that didn't work out too well. It appears that the once frozen rear end is still gonna fight me tooth and nail right up until the minute that we pull it. Obviously I didn't want the car there. I wanted to try and get it more here so I can work on it. Also, rain was supposed to be done, so I went inside, have a cup of coffee and relax a little bit, calm myself down from the aggravation of this, and now it's raining. We're not letting that stop us, because I gotta be honest with you. I gotta start working on this thing, because I just do. I've with this particular car, it's touch and go. Sometimes I'm into it, sometimes I just want it to burn down in my driveway, so. It's time that we start wrenching on it. The burn motor, when that's all burnt up, is still in here. This has to come out of here. I think the best way to go here is going to be to pull the whole front clip off of this thing. Yank the fenders, the cowl, the hood, the rad support, bumper, everything. And then that'll give us an opportunity to get a real good look at the subframe here. Decide what we're doing with that. I don't know how far we're going with this car or not. So, we just gotta see. And that's gonna start with getting this front clip off here. So I've got the car kind of covered up, just so it doesn't fishbowl, because there's no door on this side. That door will wind up coming off. I'm just going to set you guys up and start tearing this thing down. Hopefully I don't regret it. I have a feeling I'm going to regret it. I'm just wrestling with a front clip. Can you make them over right now? I don't know. Where are you? Oh my God, no. Yeah, I know. I've been working in the rain outside all day, dude. I'm pissed. I'm fucking pissed. Well, if I get there, I can help you. It's not raining here, so. It's still raining here all day. I'm soaked. All right, well, let me go. I gotta try and get this front end off. Yeah. What are you doing? Oh, okay, forget it. What? Nothing. I got this front clip unbolted, and I can't get the thing off because you need another set of hands, and there's no hands. There's zero hands.
Well, relax. Then I'll just come over. Your mother can run the plumb.
All right. I tried hoisting it. All I did was it up, and so now I just got a up front end. I got to try and get off.
So relax.
I can't. I'm trying to get this. I'm trying to do something here, and I can't do nothing.
But does it have to be done like in the next 5 minutes?
I don't know, maybe. I can't even light the thing on fire. It's getting rained on.
Well, you picked a good day to work on it.
It wasn't supposed to be raining. It's rained on me the whole damn time.
It's been raining all day. Look at the percentage of rain by hour.
I had no at all.
Let's get my sides off. That's the problem.
That's why you needed two people.
Alright, see you later.
That's it. You needed two people?
Glad I wasted a quarter of tank of gas.
Alright guys, well obviously we called it quits yesterday. I got tired of playing in the rain, but front clip is off the car. We're gonna work on this morning, trying to get this cross member out, maybe yank the motor. I don't know how far we're gonna go, if I'm gonna yank the subframe out from under the car or not. Control arms and stuff are all, well, lower control arms are garbage. The coil springs will have to be replaced. Firewall stuff all looks really decent. Cal stuff looks pretty good. Maybe a little bit of stuff happening starting here, but overall not bad at all. I mean, I've had way worse. I've also had better, so. And let's get to work. Shoo-wee. All right, so we got some definite rust in the dash panel here. It's the first I've ever seen one kind of pool up in there. Cowl actually looks okay. Windshield channel so far doesn't look crazy terrible. Got to get the vinyl off. So I just started tearing the vinyl, and on this passenger side, it's definitely a little soft. Oh yeah. And holy moly. And then whatever the heck's going on here. I think I have a screwdriver. I don't really know what's happening back here. Huh. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that. Why does my why does this car have, I don't know. Factory? Put filler in there maybe? Anybody ever seen that? I don't know. Let me know what's going on there. Because, I don't know. I literally just tore it off, and that's what I kind of got going on here. I'm losing my trim a little bit. Go back on. Wow, and a lot of dirt packed in here, but no, some tree growing there, but no rot. Well, I guess we've come this far. Hey, no Bondo or holage, and look how good all that looks. But like, all right, so when I buy these things, usually I try to make sure roof, rockers, frame rails. That's like the 3 R's. The 3 R's of buying a car. Roof, rockers, frame rails. Rails. Roof, rockers, rails. 3 R's. The rails, frame rails, and the rockers look good. The roof on the passenger side is junk. So what do you do here? I guess let's kick the back window out. See how bad all that looks, maybe. Okay. Now easy does it. Let it go. Alright guys, what's going on? Dan here, and yeah, it got out of control fast. Things have escalated quickly. Now I did take a poll and asked you guys what you thought about the Junkyard 70 here and what you would do with it. And the overwhelming majority of you said leave it alone and just slap it together and drive it. But let me be honest with you, it's a little rougher than expected. You know what I mean? To me, it needed some repairs before we could just hit the streets with it. This quarter is way worse than it looks. There's also some of the rust in the roof that we're gonna have to address. The floors look great. You know, there's really good spots of this car and there's really bad spots of this car. So also like some of the window channel stuff, like this is gonna leak forever and ever and ever. So it just makes sense to address this stuff and go from there. We'll see what we do once we do it. But we got a bunch of stuff we got to do today. I'm married, so my wife is over the junkyard thing that I have going here. And we have to perform some general maintenance on the other two Novas since we've been pretty much daily driving those. So clean this up, service these guys, and then tonight I got a couple guys coming over and we're gonna throw this pile on the body cart so that I can actually roll this thing around and work on it. We're gonna start cutting and welding and fixing on this thing because it needs some love. That's it. Let's get to work here. We got stuff to do. Alright guys, well as you can see, the 70's up on the cart. Now we can roll it around, move it however we need it. We gotta start fixing some rust on this thing. We're gonna call it for this video. Make sure you guys click the like and subscribe button because there's gonna be way more content on this thing, way more content on the 72 and the 69, so make sure you stick around and we'll see you next time.